Like Assets, Service also has a builder in the admin menu, which contains a number of fields you can preload so they automatically fill the next time you make another version of that service. These fields include a profile picture if you want to add one. Note that if you don't, the system will default to a generic service image. It includes fields for the name of the service, the type so you can group similar calls, and a longer description of what you actually do on the call. It has controls to override the days to red and days to yellow wrench indicator. There are fields to control whether the call repeats on close or requires a scan or a purchase order. There are fields to preload labor, parts, and travel costs. And there are 3 custom drop-down fields which you can define yourself in the admin menu. If you want, you can manually construct the builder just as we've illustrated. Or you can give us a pre-made list in a format that's convenient for you and we'll load it. Finally, you can also add items to the builder on the fly, which we'll show you later in this video. Like